Going on, crew? I'm going to show you how to get a Pokemon GO Spoofer in 2026. So as you can see, I got joysticks so I can actually walk around Pokemon World from my house. I got tons of settings, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, we got all the options here. So you can see in here we have many settings, which is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, guys, we can actually walk around the Pokemon world with the joystick. So you can also set random routes, which is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to max out. And then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joystick, which is super cool. So this is a very simple download. First things first, just go to the website modplug.org, and once you're there, guys, you just want to find the Pokemon GO Spoofer. So there's a couple ways to do this. There's a search bar, or you can just go ahead and press on it. So at this point, it's going to take you to a page where it asks whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. So just go ahead and press connect, and then before you can actually be receiving what you need to receive, it will ask you if you want to get the full edition or the custom. So I'm going to press inject, and now there might be a verification thing that comes up due to high traffic, so just go ahead and complete that. But yeah, we'll just wait and see what happens. So as you can see, it says preparing injection. Alright, so I'm just going to wait, and as you can see, it says ready to import, so I'm just going to press to verify now, and then at the end, guys, it will say like your device was verified or whatever. So let's just see what happens. So as you can see, guys, it should work. So let's see. All right, and yes, it says security verification. I'm not a robot, so I'm going to go ahead and press that, and let's see if it actually goes through. So as you can see, it says verifying your response. So let's see if it works, guys, and bang, verified successfully. So this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you later, but that's how to get Pokemon GO Spoofer in 2026. So this is actually working, guys, and there's no one that can stop you. You cannot get banned from this. You can change your character's speed, which is super cool. So yeah, it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe and peace out.